Okay, here's a question out there for those of you who have dealt with this problem before. I don't know if I've stated it in another video, but I have a pretty bad header leak. I believe it's coming out on both sides of my heads, obviously where the headers mount up to the heads, and I need to know how to cure this. Do I just do stock gaskets, the stock cardboard or whatever they're made of, gaskets, and use some kind of just extra sealant, some gold sealant or something? Or do I go with some copper gaskets or some stainless steel ones? And how much of a pain in the ass is it to take headers off? Because I didn't put them on here. They were on here for a long time. They were actually one of the first aftermarket modifications my dad put on when he had the truck. So yeah. I really need to get it fixed. It's annoying, and I'm sure it's killing my fuel mileage even worse, and it sounds like shit, so I really want to do something about it. So I just kind of need some input on which kind of gaskets to use. I posted it on the OBS Obsession Facebook forum, and people are kind of saying, use the stock gaskets, and use some gold or copper or something, I think, gasket sealant. But I don't know. I don't know if those will wear out eventually or what. I mean, I'm not really planning on having this same motor in there for too much longer. Kind of planning on next year to change it up, but we'll see. So yeah, just any advice on that would be awesome. Also, how much of a pain is it to remove your upper control arms? I got those new bushings. I'm going to need to remove these. Obviously, there's a lot of shit that needs to be taken off in order to get to them, and removing the control arm probably isn't going to be bad, but just removing the bushings themselves and pressing in the new bushings, what do I need to do that? Is there some kind of a tool to do that with? Do I use a ball joint press? Is there some kind of bushing press that I need to get, or what? So any help is much appreciated, guys. Thanks a lot.